Welcome friends to my channel Trading Sensation. I hope you all are doing well. Yes friends, this is a very special video. Why you know? Because I'll be telling you that how you can earn more than 10% in just one day. I'll be sharing the strategy. If by now you have not yet subscribed my channel, please do subscribe it and hit the icon. And don't forget to share it with your near and dear ones, because sharing is caring after all. Yes friend, so I have achieved more than 10%, that is 11.83% to be very precise, in just one day, which people cannot even earn from FDs. If you put your money into FDs, then also you will not be able to earn more than 6 to 7%. Yes friend, so here I have traded 3 strikes in Bank Nifty. Yes, I have traded 29,000 monthly put. I have traded 29,000 next week, that is a weekly put. I have traded 29,000 call as well. And I'll be telling you that why and where on the chart I have traded 29,000 put and call. Yes friend, so please do watch till the end and don't forget to hit the like button as well. So friends, please do watch till the end, because I'm going to share my strategy here, that's how I have executed 29,000 call and 29,000 put, and I have gained in both of these strikes. Yes friend, so I have opened Bank Nifty chart. This is 5 minutes periodicity on TradingView, you can see. So friend, I have an overall perception that both the indices have made a top, at least on a temporary basis. Yes, and going forward you will see that Bank Nifty will underperform Nifty. That means if both of them comes down, then Bank Nifty will come down more compared to Nifty, and if both of them goes up, then Nifty will go far higher compared to Bank Nifty. Yes friend, so now let me just show you that why I went with the 29,000 put at first, then I'll go with the call. So friend, just look here minutely. This is 18th November 2020. So here from this day, this is 5 minutes chart, it has formed a head and shoulder pattern. So this is the first shoulder, this is the head, this is the second shoulder. So the target when the head and shoulder pattern gets executed, when the breakdown happens from this neckline, this red colored line, this is called the neckline. When the breakdown of price action happens from this neckline, the target becomes this height. That means the high of this head minus the neckline. So the high is 29,785 and the low is 29,285. So the distance of this vertical length is equal to 500 points. So you need to calculate that how much it comes on the downside. From this 29,285, you need to reduce 500 points. So the target approximately becomes this zone. You can see this 2 red colored lines. Yes, and it has exactly come to that point. Yes friend, so this is 20th November, you can see. So I was carrying my position from this day. Yes, when it broke this neckline, I went short and I also executed put, though my short positions were squared off on that day only, that means 19th November, and I carried my position of put on the next day, that means 20th November. So you can see that how it came down as per the book theory, or which is mentioned in the books. Yes friend, this is very interesting. You can see I have also written that after the breakdown, the target becomes this vertical distance. So this is the reason why I went with 29,000 put. Now let me just explain you that why I went with 29,000 call, though my overall perception is that both the indices have made top and they are going to come down in the coming weeks. So my friend, just see here minutely that this is my custom made, or I have coded this tool on the lower panel. You can see in this orange colored line. So here you see this my tool gave a breakout here. Yes, I have drawn this blue colored line, which was the resistance, and you can see it has given a breakout on this candle. But I did not go long in this candle. Why because this is actually a very good support, and from the theory of polarity, when price is below a good support, it acts as a resistance. Yes my friend, so I was waiting, and let me just draw another line here, because I want to show you that also, that at what position I exactly went long. So my friend, here I actually went long little late because I was waiting actually for the breakout. So my tool gave a breakout over here. You can see it has given a breakout in this particular candle, but I went long over here. Why? Because you can see this blue colored line. I have joined from here, I have started. So this is a good resistance level as well. So when I saw that price has broken this 29,157, so I went long at that particular position, and you know it's a 29,000 call that I had bought. Yes, though it was not a very good long journey, it was completely a contra view of mine, because my overall or broader perception is that both the index is going to come down in the coming weeks. So I didn't go with full quantity. I just executed 12 lots in Bank Nifty. Yes, so from here I squared off at this particular position, that is 29,360 approx. So now let me just show you that what exactly the cost and what is the return that I got from this particular trade. So let me just open Excel. So friends, in this Excel I'm going to show you that just in a matter of 15-20 minutes I earned more than 6%, which people, I mean the senior citizen, usually earns in more than 1 year, that too from FD. Yes friends, so this is 29,000 call. So 1 out of Bank Nifty, you know, 25. Quantity is 300 for me, that I have shown. So number of lots, how I am calculating number of lots. So this is 300 by 25, which I am getting 12. So my total quantity 300, but in terms of number of lots it is 12. So my cost price was 609.57, and so what will be the total cost price? So the total cost price will be this price into my total quantity, which turns to 1,82,871. Clear? Now you have seen in that particular live trading session where the profit was for that particular trade is 12,055. So in terms of percentage return, let me just show you that how I have done this. So you know 12,055 divided by my total cost price is equal to my percentage return. You know, so my net invested amount for that particular trade is 1,82,871, and my return is 6.59 in terms of percentage. So this is just for one trade. Now let me just explain you the total corpus. The total corpus that I took was 2 lakh. And the total profit you have seen, it is 23,665. So in terms of percentage return, it is 11.83%, my friend. So 23,665 by 2 lakh, it turns to how much? 11.83% just in one day. So friend, if you know how to analyze a chart, how to study a chart, and then it would be like a cakewalk for anyone to earn 5 to 10% on a single day, which no one earns from FD even. Clear? So that's all. Thank you for watching this. Please do subscribe my channel and share it with your near and dear ones, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you. Goodbye.